So welcome back to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is John Magabo. So today I am building this wall. So guys, today I am building this wall and finished this wall. So guys, this wall is there up to there. So guys, can you come see here? So guys, so today I am working job. So guys, can you see here? You see here 3 wheelbarrows in sandstone. Can you take in wheelbarrow and you come very fast? So my brother, what do you want here?
I want to arrange this bricks in
Yeah.
this wheelbarrow so that I can put where we want to construct.
This is a bricks here. Wow.
can arrange them well in this wheelbarrow so that I can carry many bricks.
Yeah.
Have to arrange in a good way. Don't forget to click that black button so that while posting a new video, you are the first one to watch that video. So click that black button. Subscribe this YouTube channel by clicking that black button.
Yeah.
Giving some comments in this YouTube channel. It's my big brother. It's my big brother. And I'm the last boy.
Yeah.
In our family.
Yeah.
I'm the youngest, and I'm the last. From moving this wheelbarrow, I have to apply some force, and I have to use power.
Yeah. Can you come here? Come very, very fast here. So after that,
We want to arrange them
yeah,
down here so that we will use them while constructing this line that you see. Want to construct from down here up to somewhere here. From down that where they have put concrete
yeah,
to here. This work should end today. It's not a hard work. It will take some hours.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
After preparing that 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 cement and these bricks, we will actually wait for the muscle so that the one who will construct these walls.
yeah,
In our local language, we call them a fundi. That's it, Swahili language. Yeah, we are from East Africa, Kenya. So our normal language is Swahili. English is somehow challenged.
English is not water, my
If
friend.
you haven't stepped in school, you can't know how to speak in English. But in Swahili, you can speak. Even if you haven't stepped in school, you can speak Swahili like that. But English, you have to step in school so that you can know how to speak English. Yes.
Can you say something in the last speech?
What I can tell you guys is to give him support, and you, my brother, I can tell you that every single day you make sure that you have recorded some video, one or two, and upload so that you will move her. And guys, thank you for watching me, guys. I need you to support his channel and also mine. Don't forget. I think I have mentioned my name, but I can pardon that name. Going by the name Robert Mox. You can go there, subscribe, giving comment, sharing, yeah, and watching some video. I have amazing video in my YouTube channel. I don't have much to say. God bless you.
Yeah, can you take your camera here? So I want to say thank you, and thank you very much to support him in my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name Magabo. YouTube channel name Magabo. Can you subscribe me in my YouTube channel? Every day, every week, every month, and every year. I want to say thank you very much. Bye bye.